Hey guys, this is Anmol and you are watching Easy Coder. Today guys, we are going to learn what is Bootstrap. So guys, Bootstrap is the most popular CSS framework for developing responsive and mobile first websites. So guys, you all must be wondering that what is responsive? Well, responsive means that in any type of device you view your website, it should be proper. Like in mobile, the website should look proper and it should look proper in a tablet or let's say a laptop. Okay, now guys, we are going to today explore carousel class of Bootstrap. So guys, let us understand that what is carousel. So carousel is a slideshow for cycling through a series of content. Now I am going to show you an example of carousel. So guys, you can see two arrows, the right arrow and the left arrow. So when we click on the right arrow, then it puts a new image, and when we click on the left arrow, then it puts up the previous image that was there, and when we click on this arrow again, then it puts back the another image. Okay, now guys, over here we have two iframe tag and we have two iframe, 4 iframes. So 2 are the chatbots and 2 are the mobile screens. So I have embedded the mobile screens from code.org website, and these two I have embedded from Dialogflow. So guys, if you have not watched my video on iframe, then please do watch that, as it will give you a better idea about anchor tag. I mean iframe tag. So guys, now let us jump on to the code. So guys, first we are going to write HTML, then we will write the head. Then we'll write title, that is my apps and my games and apps. Then title will end. Now we'll put the link for linking the CSS. Now these are the three important Bootstrap links. So guys, I'll paste these links in the description box so that you can put them in your website. Now the head ends, and now we are going to start with body. So now we have this h1 tag, also known as header tag. Now our heading will be my games, and we are going to give div class as line. So guys, you all must be wondering that what is div class line? Well, we are giving it to draw a line underneath our text. So I'm going to show you how does it looks. So guys, over here you can see a line underneath my games. So this is because of div class line. We have designed div class line in CSS. So while explaining CSS, I'm going to tell you about this. Now guys, div ends, then we are going to start with div. ID will be my carousel. So this is an ID that I have given. You can give any ID. Now class over here will be fixed. The class is carousel slide. So now carousel slide shows an animation effect. I have also written it over here for your guidance. Now, so that I can help you. Now we will move on to div class carousel inner. So this refers to the contents that are inside the carousel. Now div class item active. Now it refers to the first item that we want to show. Now we have a center tag. It aligns our elements in center position. Now we have put an anchor tag. So guys, if you do not know about anchor tag, then please watch my video on anchor tag. I'll drop a link to that in the description as well. And guys, if you are using bracket software for the first time, then please do watch my brackets introductory video. I'll put a link to that as well in the description box. Now we are going to write anchor href. Now this is the link, and target equals to underscore blank. So first I'll explain this part, the linking part to you, and then I will explain this to you. Now now we'll put image source that is ice hockey JPEG, and then anchor tag will end. So when we click on this image, then this link redirects in a new tab. So guys, you all must now be wondering that what is target equals to underscore blank. Well, this tag helps us to open our source in a new tab. If we don't put this, then it opens in the same tag and we have to click the back button. So in order to avoid that, we are going to open it in a new window. Now guys, we are going to give div class as carousel content, and we are going to put a small paragraph. Okay, now this div will end, center tag will end, and then div of item active will also end. Now div class is item, and over here we have listed our item, we have put the center tag, listed our item, and same thing is been done over here as well. Now the whole carousel inner div will end, so if you want you can add more images. Just put div class item for the other images, and only for the first image the class will be item active. Okay, now after that you can end our carousel inner div and my carousel div as well. Now we are going to give a class anchor class equals to left carousel control href is my carousel. So the class is this is a bootstrap class, and href is my carousel, so we are referring it to this, and data slide is prep. Okay, that means the previous, and span class equals to glyphicon chevron left, so it gives us an icon of that left arrow. Now we are going to move on to this one. So same thing over here, but the data slide will be next and the icon will be chevron right. Now we are putting the section ID with apps, and over here we have put the iframe tags that I have embedded from code.org website. So guys, if you don't know how to embed, then watch my playlist on iframe tags. Okay, now this section will end, and then I'm going to give a section ID chatbot where I have chatbots, and then this section will also end. Then body will end, and as well HTML will end. Now we are going to move on to CSS. So body we have given text alignment as center. Image, now we have given a transition. Like you must have made PPTs, so in that one as well we give transitions. So now we have given a transition transform for 0.5 seconds. Okay, 0.5 seconds. Now width is 500 pixels and height is also 500 pixels. Now image hover means like when we hover our mouse on the image, then it will transform it scale to 0.9. Okay, now my carousel. So my carousel is the class that we have listed over here. I'll just show it to you over here. Okay, now we have given a background color as light coral. Now we have given my carousel image, so it refers to the image of the carousel. Now we are going to give margin top as 35 pixels. So guys, if you don't know margin, then now I'm going to explain you about margin. So guys, margin is a bit of spacing, like we give some spacing on the top, okay, so that it looks more beautiful. Like we give a spacing of 35 pixels, okay. Now carousel inner paragraph. Now margin bottom is 15 pixels, margin top is 15 pixels, color will be white, and font size is 25 pixels. Now dot line, so the height is 6 pixels, the background color is black, the width is 100 pixels, and we are given the margin as auto. So guys, this was my website. I hope you liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.